Thanks to Luma AI tool, I've been wanting to get to the bottom of this story for so long. Someone actually made its ending. Want to know how? It's called Luma AI Dream Machine. Luma AI can generate short video clips from text descriptions. It's very simple to use, actually. Just describe a scene, and voila, you will get a 5 seconds video clip depicting that scene. It can create a 5-second video having 24 frames per second with 1360 x 752 resolution. You must be thinking that it might be expensive. Well, you are wrong. A public demo of Luma AI called Dream Machine is absolutely free to use. However, there is just one tiny limitation. Due to high usage, Luma AI is limiting free tiers to 10 video generations per day, whereas paid tiers have no limit and priority in the queue. Okay, so without wasting any time, let me show you how you can use Luma AI to create short videos, form text prompts. 1. Open browser of your choice and go to Luma AI website. Click on the Try Now option. Sign in with your Google account. 4. Describe a scene in text with precision. Alternatively, if you click on Idea, you will get a suggestion for the video. 5. Click on the Send button and that's it. Wait for a few minutes until that video is generated. Due to high demand, users have experienced long wait times, but Luma AI is working on it. Look how cute Grandma is looking underwater. What are the features, you may ask? Let's see. 1. Text-to-video generation. 2. High-quality output. 3. Realistic and consistent character interactions. It means that maintaining visuals characters across different scenes, making the videos feel grounded and true to life. 4. Advanced camera movements. 5. Generates videos in various styles, including cinematic, animation, and realistic, adapting to diverse user prompts. Dream Machine is available to the public, allowing anyone to use the platform for free, although there may be a daily generation limit. However, my opinion is that Dream Machine stands out for its high-quality output, realistic character interactions, and versatile style handling. Plus, don't forget it's free. That's it, people. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Toodles!